My name's Brandy Jackson. I'm a tech integration specialist with 11 years teaching experience, and I'm here to talk to you about the Learn Anywhere kit and exactly how it brings together high quality STEM materials and a great learning platform to support students, parents, and teachers wherever they're learning. As a parent and a teacher, I spend a lot of time just gathering together the supplies students and kids need to do STEM activities. This kit has all of it. When I need to teach just the basics of circuitry, I'm going to use the Electro kit. It comes with all the supplies needed, including the battery pack and enough electric dough to do plenty of really cool projects. Then, once kids really understand that, I'm going to bring in paper circuits using the same supplies we already had, plus an addition of copper tape and a few cell batteries. Now they're understanding how electronics come together. And to do that, they kind of need to understand coding. That's when I bring in my next supply, Makey. Makey is going to come with all the wires needed and the circuit board. This is going to allow them to easily learn how circuits, electronics, sensors, and coding come together to invent all of the cool things they use in their daily lives. I think most of us agree that these kits are excellent for teaching students, and it's amazing how you can use them in ELA, science, music, and social studies. The question is, how do we get these great kits and the instructional materials in students' hands in a way that is easy for the teachers and easy for families at home? The answer to that is Scoutlier. Because Scoutlier professionals will build activities that are scaffolded, that are connected directly to national and state standards that live on the community library. For example, this is an activity. It's about creating a paper circuit to create a Morse code signal. A teacher or a parent would be provided with this link. As long as an adult has a Scoutlier account, they have the ability to edit any of these activities, make them their own, because all they need to do is click on Actions and make a copy. When they click Make a Copy, they can rename it if they want. They can change it from an assessment where only the student and the teacher can see their responses to collaboration. I personally think it's important for students during this time period when they're virtual to still get to see what other kids are doing. So I'm changing it to collaboration version. They'll go to the bottom and hit confirm. Within a matter of seconds, it will pop up into my library. When I click on it, I can open it. As a parent or a teacher, I could edit these questions. If there were too many questions and I want to simplify it for someone like a special needs person, or if someone spoke a foreign language, I could translate this into the language they speak using Google Translate. And once I have a version set, all I have to do is go to the bottom and click Share Assignment Code. Yes, I'm ready to share the assignment code. Did you see how fast that was? Seconds. This link is now an internet-based link that all we have to do is copy. It can be pasted in a learning management system, on Google Classroom. It can be sent by an email. It could even be sent by a text message. And when a person clicked on that link, it would open up the activity and the student would not need to create an account. Students don't have to create accounts. Teachers create accounts. If parents want to, parents create accounts so that they can share these links with their students. All of this very private, very secure, and very quick to create high quality scaffolded lessons for students. So the next thing I want to show you is what does it look like as a student? As a student, when they click on that link, it opens a document that looks exactly like this. But as they're working through, when they get a question, they press on the question, it opens a text box, they type in their answer and hit submit. Because this is a collaboration activity, they could even check other classroom answers. They continue typing them on. Remember, assessments, they can't see other person's answers. When a student needs to take a picture, they click on, it says take a picture, they would click this button. It will open the camera, take this picture, Ask them if this is the picture they want to submit. If it's not, if it's too blurry, they can take a second picture until they get a high quality image like this one. When she is sure this is the image she wanted, she pressed submit. And then Scoutlier stopped accessing the camera. It is a private program. We're not granting access 24 hours a day to any device on the camera. Only when you're in assignment and only when you're in a particular question about photography will it ever touch the camera. The same thing for videos. It asked the question, she clicked the button, and she could record the image. And now she has done everything. As a teacher, I can see that everything was done too. Maybe she wasn't sure, are my solders good? She could click on the classroom answers, and she could see all of this data. And she would know, you know what? Mine look pretty good. I don't have any of the stragglers off. I haven't bled onto any other one. I bet mine's going to work just fine. And she has the confidence that she's done it correctly. And on the teacher end, I can grade all of my students very quickly by looking directly in here. If it works, I can go to their grades, put a grade in for them, and it's done in moments. High quality STEM learning done anywhere with Scoutlier and the Learn Anywhere kits. We know students learn best during project-based learning. This kit will allow STEM workforce skills to be used directly with content area classes and will meet students' needs wherever they are. If they have low bandwidth, low access to technology, many of the supplies in this kit don't require the internet at all. The activities are scaffolded to support students' needs, even if they're special needs or maybe are ELL students. They can still be successful because of the way these activities are designed. But most importantly, we're concerned about student privacy. Students don't create accounts. Teachers create accounts for them and give them their sign-ons. And then everything comes together in the Scoutlier classroom. This activity really does allow students to learn anywhere. We hope you consider supporting this project.